Hey guys, this is Ravi, founder of Tech Particle. So first of all, thank you all of you for joining us in this seminar. So, the first question that arises into your mind after listening to Tech Particle must be, who are we? We are a community of tech enthusiasts wanting to help each other learn about technical stuff in a fun-filled and appealing way. We help you master different engineering concepts through our YouTube series, specially curated for learners like you. The second question would be, what do we do? At Tech Particle, we help you in your quest for technical knowledge. Long story short, we teach you how to use technology to create new milestones in your journey of engineering. Through our YouTube videos, we help learners go into the depth of every topic and learn things about absolute scratch. Why you should join us? Learning opportunities, experience, and hands-on practice. Once you join Tech Particle, you get the opportunity to share your knowledge with others. As has been rightly said, when you teach someone, you learn. We at Tech Particle provide you this opportunity to learn concepts through teaching. Once you are associated with us, you get a lot of experience on various technical domains like video editing, graphic designing, web development, and coding, and other engineering streams, which definitely boosts your CV and gives you an edge over your peers. Once you sign up for any project with us, you get hands-on experience on creating it from scratch, which sharpens your skills and make you ready for the corporate world. Also, there are a lot of perks awaits you after successful completion of the internship. So, another question would be, what will you do if selected? You can work in any one or multiple profiles from the list given. So the first profile is graphic designing. You get to design all our creative posts as you must have seen on the Instagram. You can create some designs on your own and pitch your idea in front of our team. Second profile is video editing. You will be editing our videos for YouTube channel. Even you can use your ideas and innovation to create video for Instagram page also. Third profile is content writing. Content writers will be writing content as its name suggests for all the posts going to be on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook or Facebook groups. The next profile is web developer, in which you will be getting chance to create a website for Tech Particle. For a profile of social media marketing, you will be working as a campus ambassador in your college for Tech Particle. And the last profile is teaching. So there are many questions in the forms also that were asked that what you have to do in teaching. So it is really simple task. From whichever branch you belong to, you just need to share your knowledge with the people who are the viewers of Tech Particle. You need to create video lectures for them. It doesn't matter which stream you are from. The only thing matters is that from any engineering stream, you can create any kind of playlist for Tech Particle. You just need to share your knowledge. The next is, what are our future prospects? We have plans to scale up to be an e-learning platform for all the engineering domains under one roof. We want to be the buddy of all the engineers out there in their journey of success. And that is also one of the reasons that we want you to be our integral part. You may write your questions in the comment section if you have any, and we will be answering them there only. Thank you so much for joining us, and that is all from our side.